In a striking demonstration of modern naval air defense capabilities, France has showcased the exceptional performance of its FREMM-class frigate Alsace in a recent missile interception exercise. During the drills, the frigate successfully intercepted a MICA-EM air-to-air missile launched from a Rafale fighter jet using an Aster 30 surface-to-air missile. The exercise represents a significant achievement in naval defense, highlighting both the advanced technology of the Aster 30 and the skill of the French Navy crews tasked with operating it under extreme conditions. The MICA-EM missile, a radar-guided variant of the MICA family, is capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 4, or roughly 4,900 km per hour. This high-velocity threat posed a formidable challenge for the Aster 30 interceptor, whose maximum speed is approximately Mach 4.5, or about 5,500 km per hour. Intercepting a target traveling at such speeds requires not only precise detection and tracking but also an exacting calculation of trajectory and timing. The successful engagement demonstrates that the Aster 30 system is capable of operating at the very limits of its design specifications, achieving a level of performance that extends beyond initial expectations. The nature of the exercise further magnifies its significance. Unlike standard missile tests, which often involve slower or larger targets, this drill employed a head-on interception scenario against a supersonic, relatively small missile. The MICA-EM measures just 3.1 meters in length, 160 millimeters in diameter, and weighs 112 kilograms. Its compact size increases the difficulty of detection and engagement, leaving only a narrow window for the crew to respond. The rapid closure rate between the frigate and the missile meant that the operators had only seconds to execute the necessary actions to launch the interceptor, guide it along the correct trajectory, and ensure a direct hit. Such a scenario effectively simulates the challenges posed by modern anti-ship missile threats, which are often fast, small, and highly maneuverable. The technical characteristics of the Aster 30 itself contribute significantly to its effectiveness in this role. The missile is 4.9 meters long, with a diameter of 180 millimeters and a launch weight of 450 kilograms. It is powered by a two-stage solid-fuel motor, allowing it to reach its peak speed quickly and maintain sufficient maneuverability to engage high-speed targets. Its operational range extends to 120 kilometers, with a maximum interception altitude of 20 kilometers. These capabilities make the Aster 30 suitable not only for conventional air defense operations but also for intercepting ballistic missile threats in its more advanced variants, such as the Aster 30B1 and Block 1NT. These modernized versions have been adapted to counter both high-speed aircraft and short-range ballistic missiles, significantly enhancing the defensive envelope of any platform equipped with the system. The decision to use a MICA-EM as the target is particularly noteworthy. As a radar-guided air-to-air missile with a maximum range of approximately 50 kilometers, the MICA-EM is designed for high-speed aerial engagements. Its size and speed make it a realistic stand-in for supersonic anti-ship missiles, which represent one of the most significant threats in contemporary maritime warfare. By selecting such a challenging target, the French Navy ensured that the exercise would provide a genuine test of both the Aster 30's capabilities and the operational readiness of the crew. Successfully neutralizing such a missile requires not only advanced technology but also rigorous training, coordination, and split-second decision-making under pressure. Footage from the Rafale cockpit and the exercise's monitoring systems reveals the precision and timing required for this kind of interception. The crew must first detect the incoming missile at a sufficient distance to allow for reaction time. This involves tracking a small, high-speed object against the cluttered background of the sea and sky, which requires highly sensitive radar systems and sophisticated signal processing. Once detected, the frigate must launch the Aster 30 and guide it toward the incoming missile. The interception itself is a high-stakes event. At speeds exceeding 5,000 km per hour combined, even a slight miscalculation in trajectory or timing could result in a miss. The fact that the crew achieved a successful intercept on a head-on engagement highlights not only the missile's performance but also the professionalism and training of the operators. The implications of this exercise extend beyond a single successful intercept. In modern naval warfare, the threat environment is becoming increasingly complex. Anti-ship missiles are faster, smaller, and more maneuverable than ever before, and hypersonic weapons are entering service with several advanced militaries. A defense system capable of engaging supersonic threats reliably can provide a decisive advantage, particularly for naval task forces operating in contested waters. By demonstrating the ability to intercept a supersonic missile like the MICA-EM, the French Navy signals its readiness to confront these emerging challenges and reinforces the strategic value of its FREMM-class frigates. In addition to validating the missile system itself, the exercise serves as a critical test of operational concepts. Coordination between radar operators, missile controllers, and command elements is essential for successful engagements. Exercises like this one allow the French Navy to refine its protocols, improve reaction times, and identify potential weaknesses in both equipment and procedures. The combination of advanced hardware and highly trained personnel creates a robust defensive capability, one that is capable of responding effectively to the increasingly sophisticated threats faced by modern naval forces. Official statements from the French Ministry of Defense underscore the significance of the exercise. The ministry noted that the drills demonstrated performance characteristics exceeding the initial technical specifications of the Aster 30, highlighting the system's adaptability and reliability in high-intensity scenarios. Although specific details regarding which characteristics surpassed expectations were not disclosed, it is clear that the missile's interception capability, speed, and precision were central to this assessment. The successful operation of the Aster 30 against a supersonic target reinforces confidence in France's domestic missile development programs and showcases the country's ability to produce cutting-edge defensive systems. Overall, the FREMM-class frigate Alsace's successful interception of the MICA-EM missile represents a milestone in naval air defense testing. It demonstrates that contemporary missile systems, when paired with expert crews and advanced operational procedures, can counter even the most challenging supersonic threats. As maritime security challenges continue to evolve, exercises like this one provide essential insights into the capabilities and limitations of current defense technologies, informing future upgrades, tactical doctrines, and strategic planning. The exercise also serves as a strong message to potential adversaries. France possesses the technological and operational capacity to defend its naval assets against high-speed missile threats, thereby enhancing deterrence and strengthening national security. In conclusion, the recent exercise involving the FREMM-class frigate Alsace and the Aster 30 missile underscores the evolving nature of naval air defense operations. By successfully intercepting a supersonic MICA-EM missile in flight, the French Navy has demonstrated the combination of advanced technology, rigorous training, and operational coordination required to address modern maritime threats. This achievement not only validates the performance of the Aster 30 but also reinforces France's position as a leader in naval missile defense, highlighting the critical importance of readiness, adaptability, and precision in contemporary naval warfare.